To automatically save new photos and videos to Drive D in Windows 11 Home, right-click on empty area on the desktop, and then select Personalize. Next, click or tap System, and then select Storage. Tap or click Advanced Storage Settings, and then click or tap where new content is saved. And then on new photos and videos will be saved to. Click or tap drop down menu and then select Drive D. Tap apply to apply. Now new photos and videos will be saved to Drive D. Okay, thank you for watching. Have a nice day.